Yeah, back.
Yeah, I'll just
Yeah.
get around this.
Yeah, I saw. I'm just. Oh, that's really bright on your. Oh well, that's better.
Do you want to go from like this side when you're in the shade?
No, I'm just trying to get your. Stand here, Susie.
You want my shade?
I want your. Yeah, so you can see your.
Microbium.
Yeah.
Nicromobeum.
Nicromobeum.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Stick it on the ramp and we'll have a look underneath. Actually, when it's just ticking over like that, it's nice. It's not too loud at all. Yeah, I'm sure you are. Let's have a look underneath then. Going up.
I'll give it a rev.
Well, wicked. You have done a nice job there, my son. Get that in there like that.
So yeah.
Well, Matt, this is a bit of art, mate. It is just absolutely bleeding gorgeous.
See what you're saying, yeah. Because that's...
Absolutely bloody lovely, mate.
So, does the job.
Right, folks, so if you want your car doing, this is who you need to come and see. This is lovely. To be honest, I think if it was my car, I'd leave it upside down.
Yeah,
so people can see the exhaust.
Drive on its roof, you know.
Well, yeah, just park it on its roof.
You know those old remote control cars you could flip over?
Yeah. That's what you want to do. You want one of them ramps that like Jack they had in the James Bond movie where it went on two wheels.
Yeah.
And it went in that way and came out that way.
Yeah.
But no, that's lovely, mate. Absolutely gorgeous.
I like it now, it drops a little bit. But yeah.
So, there you go. We'll put Matt's website and bits and bobs in the bits at the bottom. So if you need something as nice as this done to your car, I love the clamps.
Yeah, they're the expensive ones.
Stainless.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, there we go. Lovely job. I love the, what do they call them on the end? The
The clover.
The clovers. Yeah.
I know it's a quadrifolio.
Do what?
It's a quadrifolio.
Quadrifolio?
Yeah.
Is that what they call them?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Nice touch. Anyway, there you go. Rightio, this is what the old system looked like. Did you weigh this, Matt?
I did. It is 29.8 kilograms.
And what's this one?
It's like 11.1.
Wow.
Nearly 30.
Big savings there on your weight saving.
And when I load it,
There you go.
I did see that. I tried to get Dave to do it. I don't think we can.
Quite a meaty bit of kit. That's a nice rack, Matt,
yeah.
isn't it? What does that fit on?
Fits on the Benelli.
Does it?
It does, yeah.
Do you know whose it belongs to?
Yeah, I've got an annoying neighbour that keeps giving me odd jobs.
That'd be me then.
And I could see it well.
Yeah. Attention to detail, folks. Attention to detail. Even on the back there, look. On the bracket. Cool. There you go. All done. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Matt.
Bye-bye.